In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to Temu. We'll walk through the necessary steps, ensuring you can comfortably navigate through the process. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by going to the Temu app on your device. This is your gateway to accessing all the features we'll be discussing today. Make sure your device is connected to the internet for seamless access. Once you've got the app open, you're set to start the next step. Next, navigate to your orders. You should see a section labeled Your Orders right on the main screen. Clicking on this is crucial because it's where you can review all your past and current purchases. This is where you usually go to track the status of your deliveries or to check transaction details. Once you've clicked on your orders, look for the messages icon. It's typically prominently displayed on the screen you're now viewing. Clicking this icon will take you to your messages hub where you can manage and send messages. After opening the messages section, take a moment to check your messages history. This is a good practice, ensuring you haven't missed any important communication from Temu. Reviewing your existing messages can also provide context for any new messages you wish to send. From there, you'll want to click on Orders and Shipping. This section offers detailed information related to your orders and is the portal where you can address specific concerns about deliveries or shipping issues that may arise. If you encounter a problem or need assistance, click on Support. The support section is designed to help you resolve any difficulties you might face. Here, you have access to various support tools and resources that could answer many of your questions effortlessly. Now, to directly engage with Temu, click on Chat with Temu. This feature is incredibly valuable as it allows you to have a real-time conversation with a support representative. It's your chance to express any concerns or queries you have about your orders or the service in general. Before initiating the chat, be prepared to type out your concern clearly. This ensures that the support team can effectively assist you. Be concise but thorough in explaining what you need help with, whether it's an order detail, a shipping query, or another issue. Choose your complaint or reason carefully. When prompted, you'll see a menu where you can select the specific nature of your issue. This step helps Temu categorize your inquiry properly, speeding up the process to get you the right assistance quickly. Finally, after drafting your message and selecting the reason, go ahead and click Send. Once your message is sent, you've completed the process. All that's left is to wait for a response from the Temu support team, and that's it. With these steps, sending a message to Temu is straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.